In a world where technology changes faster than anyone can predict, the idea of having an artificial intelligence companion has moved from science fiction to daily life. It began with simple virtual assistants that answered questions or set alarms. Over time, these systems learned to listen more carefully, to remember preferences, and to respond with empathy. The story of the rise of AI companions is not just about machines getting smarter, but about humans discovering new ways to connect. People have always looked for understanding, for someone or something that listens without judgment. Early AI chatbots provided only basic interaction. They could not express real warmth or emotion. Yet even then, users began to talk to them, not only to find information but to feel heard. As machine learning and natural language processing evolved, AI companions started to mimic the rhythm of human speech. They began to hold conversations that felt genuine. For the first time, people could share their stories with a voice that was both digital and human-like. The journey was not without debate. Some feared that technology was replacing human intimacy, while others believed it could help lonely people or those struggling with social anxiety. Scientists and philosophers asked deep questions. Can a machine truly understand love, sadness, or joy? Or is it only simulating emotion through patterns of data? These questions did not stop innovation. The demand for emotional connection pushed AI development further. Soon, AI companions could adapt to the tone of the user's voice, recognize moods, and adjust their responses. They could remember previous conversations, offer comfort during hard times, and even motivate users to chase their goals. Many saw them as digital friends who were always there, patient and consistent. The emotional intelligence of these companions became their most important feature. As AI companions entered daily routines, they began to shape how people learned, worked, and communicated. In classrooms, AI tutors helped students master languages and complex subjects with personalized feedback. At work, virtual mentors guided young professionals, giving advice that once came only from experienced colleagues. In homes, AI friends read bedtime stories to children, reminded elders to take medicine, and even mediated family disagreements by suggesting calm, neutral language. The most powerful impact appeared in the way people used AI companions for self-improvement. Many turned to them for emotional balance. They asked questions like, "Why do I feel anxious?" Or, "How can I become more confident?" The AI's responses, based on psychology and behavioral science, helped users reflect on their thoughts. Some found courage to express feelings they had hidden for years. Others simply appreciated having a presence that listened without growing tired or impatient. But the relationship also raised ethical concerns. If people become too attached to AI companions, would they lose touch with real relationships? Could companies misuse personal data collected during emotional conversations? Developers tried to create systems that respected privacy, promoted human interaction, and reminded users to connect with friends and family in real life. Responsible AI design became an urgent mission. Meanwhile, the creativity of AI companions surprised everyone. They wrote poetry, composed music, and painted digital art inspired by human emotion. These creations blurred the line between artificial and human creativity. People began to collaborate with their AI partners, co-writing novels, designing products, and exploring new artistic frontiers. The rise of AI companions transformed creativity into a shared journey between human intuition and algorithmic intelligence. As the story of AI companions continues, society faces a deep question. What does it mean to be human in an age of intelligent machines? The answer may lie not in opposition, but in harmony. Humans and AI can coexist as partners, each offering what the other lacks. Machines bring memory, logic, and infinite patience. Humans bring emotion, creativity, and moral awareness. Together, they form a relationship that expands both understanding and possibility. Future AI companions will likely integrate into every aspect of life. They may become emotional assistants who sense stress levels through voice tone or facial expression and suggest breathing exercises or encouraging words. They may help couples communicate better or guide people through grief and recovery. These companions will not replace human love or friendship, but will complement it, offering gentle support where silence once lived. In education, AI companions could become global teachers. Imagine a student in a remote village practicing English with an AI friend who understands her accent, corrects her grammar, and tells stories from other cultures. Language learning will no longer depend on expensive classes or textbooks. It will become a daily, living conversation powered by empathy and understanding. Still, the future demands caution. Developers and users must remember that artificial empathy is not real empathy. Machines can analyze words, not hearts. The human role is to guide AI with wisdom, ensuring that technology serves kindness, learning, and truth. The best AI companions will not try to be human. They will help humans become more human, more reflective, patient, and compassionate.